questions 11 and 12 are the same two lines, but the shading is going to be different. So let me graph the lines. It's a vertical line through 4 and a dashed horizontal line through 2. So greater than or equal to 4, this means to the right of 4. And then greater than 2, this means above 2. So this needs to be to the right of the vertical line and above the horizontal line. So it's going to be this region. X is less than or equal to 4 means to the left. Y is greater than 2. This means above. So it means it needs to be to the left of the vertical line and above the horizontal line.